Example based on integration by substitution method. Before we proceed, subscribe to my channel Omkar Engineering Classes. Press bell icon, like it and share it. Integration by substitution. Integration by substitution. When integral is complex, then use integration by substitution method. F of x dx. F of x is called integral. When integrand is complex, then use substitution method. For example, integration sin root x divided by root x dx. Put t is equals to root x. Then derivative of differentiate with respect to x, or only differentiate. Dt is equals to 1 upon 2 root x dx. Here in the given example there is no 2 in the denominator, so transfer these 2 on the left side. So 2 dt is equals to dx divided by root x. Adjust the given example. I is equals to integration sin root x into dx upon root x. Substitute value of root x as t and dx upon root x is equals to 2 dt. So integration sin t into 2. 2 is coefficient, so take outside dt. The integration of sin is minus cos. Minus 2 cos t plus c is equals to, then substitute value of t. The value of t is root x, so minus 2 cos root x plus c is the final result. Next example, integration sec square x divided by 3 plus tan x dx. Here it is necessary to know derivative of trigonometry. Then put t is equals to tan x. Differentiate. Dt is equals to sec square x dx. Derivative of tan is sec square. Substitute value in the numerator as dt instead of sec square x dx, and instead of tan x put t. In the above example, I is equals to integration dt divided by t plus 3. Then using formula integration dx divided by ax plus b is equals to 1 upon a log ax plus b. Using this formula here, coefficient of t is 1, therefore log t plus 3. Then substitute value of t. T is equals to tan x, so log into bracket tan x plus 3 is the final result. There are two important results for substitution method. First result, integration f dash of x upon f of x dx is equals to log f of x plus c. And another result, integration f dash of x divided by root f of x dx is equals to 2 root f of x plus c. The above two results depend upon integration formulae. Integration dx divided by x equal to log x plus c, and integration dx divided by root x is equals to 2 root x plus c. Depending upon these two results, we see the example integration 3x divided by x square minus 1 dx. Then put t is equals to x square minus 1. Then dt is equals to 2x dx. 1 is constant and derivative of constant becomes 0. Then transfer these two on the left side. So dt divided by 2 is equals to x dx. From the above example, I is equals to 3 is coefficient. Take outside 3 integration x dx divided by x square minus 1. Then substitute value of x dx as dt upon 2 and x square minus 1 is equals to t. 3 integration dt divided by 2 divided by t is equals to 2 again is coefficient, take outside, but in the denominator 3 upon 2 log t is equals to 3 upon 2, substitute value of t, log x square minus 1 plus c is the final result. Next example on the result second, integration sin 2x divided by root a square sin square x plus b square cos square x dx. According to the second result, put t is equals to a square sin square x plus b square cos square x. Then differentiate dt is equals to a square into 2. A square is coefficient, sin square, so 2 sin x into cos x minus, because derivative of cos is minus, so minus b square into 2 cos x into sin x, bracket complete dx. Take common outside 2 sin x cos x, a square minus b square into 2 sin x cos x dx. Sin x, 2 sin x cos x is equals to sin 2x, so a square minus b square into sin 2x dx. Transfer a square minus b square on the left side, dt divided by a square minus b square equal to sin 2x dx. Substitute value of sin 2x dx and a square into sin square x plus b square into cos square x in the above example. I is equals to integration dt divided by a square minus b square whole divided by root t. Then I is equals to 1 upon a square minus b square into 2 root t. The value of t is a square sin square x plus b square cos square x plus c is the final result. There are some standard substitution according to the integral. For example, if integral of the form and substitution, standard substitution, root a square minus x square, x is equals to a sin theta, root x square minus a square, x is equals to a sec theta, root x square plus a square, then or x square plus a square only, x is equals to a tan theta, and so on.
If you have any query or you want to solve the sum based on the topics included in my videos, you can send it on my email ID. Have a good day.